What are you doing? Okay, show me. No, do it the right way. You gotta do it the right way so you don't hurt yourself. Okay, stand up. Stand up. No! Stand up and do it the right way. Show me how to do it the right way. Okay, what do you do? Oh, you gotta, hey, come here. No, where are you going? Come here. You gotta put your hands up and then do your flip. There you go. Now do it.
I got my hands down.
Woo! Good job. Okay. You can keep going. Woo! Good job at tucking yourself. That was a good job. Woo! You're getting better and better. Mommy has the hiccups. You're doing a good job at tucking your head in. You gonna do a handstand? Woo! Are you done? Yeah, it's an empty package of gum. Say bye.
There's some gum.
Say bye.